Finally, weld the mid-beam and weld the two mirror rings together. After this welding is done, welding this goblet, called nose pads in the glasses shop. In the factory, it's called a goblet, a chimney. The names are all different. Then open. This is considered slotting. Just cut it open, and after cutting it open, it's convenient to fix the 6 pieces with screws. Then put on the screws. I know starting is very convenient. After twisting, twist this lens, also known as wire twisting. Next, start polishing after going up, rough polishing.